Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Douaa.
And in which sector did you do your internship?
In the caregiver,
And how did you feel when you arrived and throughout your stay in Spain?
I feel good because Spain is very beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
And it's funny because I come with my friend.
Okay. What did you learn during your internship?
I learn a new practice
Mm-hmm.
because it's not same in French.
What would you highlight about the support of Europroyectos?
Because I come here in Spain and it's very big city and beautiful city. I like the visit, the zoo with my friend because it's funny, it's good.
Yes, to make memories in Córdoba.
Yes.
Yes, I understand. Okay, and would you recommend this experience?
Yes, it's very good because I learned a new language.
Mm-hmm.
I see a new place, and I enjoy this moment because I have my friend, my teacher,
Mm-hmm. So you really like
and
Spain and Córdoba?
and I see a beautiful person.
Oh my gosh, thank you. So, do you want to repeat this experience?
Yes, of
Mhm.
course.
Okay, I'm so happy for you. And do you have a special memory?
Yes. The first day when I come here,
Mm-hmm.
and I see the place where I can to go to sleep with my friend, and this I have a very big memory because I sleep with my friend. And
Oh, so our residence is your
yes,
favorite
yes.
land. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I am really happy for you, and thank you so much to interview, Dua.
You're welcome.